Generating buzz. Understanding the phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of a very popular phrase in English, generating buzz. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding these kinds of phrases can really help you sound more natural in English. So, let's dive in and find out what it means to generate buzz. Generating buzz is a phrase often used in marketing and media, but it's also common in everyday English. When someone is generating buzz, they are creating excitement or anticipation about something. This could be a new product, an event, a movie, or even a news story. The key idea here is the creation of a sense of excitement among a group of people. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. A new movie trailer that gets everyone talking and eagerly waiting for the movie's release is generating buzz. 2. A company about to launch a new product might use advertising to generate buzz and get potential customers excited. 3. Before a big sports event, media coverage and fan discussions are ways of generating buzz around the event. Generating buzz is important because it captures public attention. In marketing, it helps in promoting products or events. In everyday conversation, talking about something that's generating a lot of buzz helps you stay connected with current trends and topics of interest. Let's practice using this phrase. The tech company's mysterious tweet is generating a lot of buzz. Everyone's wondering what their new product will be. The local food festival has been generating buzz all over town. Everyone's excited to try new foods. And that's all about generating buzz. Remember, it's all about creating excitement and anticipation. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.